Welcome to Textile Technology Channel. Woven fabric manufacturing process. Step 1. Winding process. Winding is the process of transferring yarn from one package, like a bobbin or skein, to another to create a new, more suitable package, such as a cone or cheese. This is a critical step that prepares yarn for further processes like weaving, allows for the removal of yarn defects, and creates large, consistent packages for efficient use. Step 2. Warping process. Warping is a crucial textile manufacturing process that prepares the warp yarns for weaving by winding a set of parallel yarns from cones onto a single beam. This creates a warp sheet of the required length and number of yarns, ensuring uniform tension and parallelism to prevent defects in the final woven fabric. Step 3. Sizing process. Sizing is a preparatory process where warp yarns are coated with an adhesive substance to protect them during weaving. This strengthens the yarn, reduces hairiness, and improves smoothness to withstand the high tension and friction of the loom, ultimately increasing weaving efficiency and fabric quality. Step 4. Drawing in process. Drawing in process in weaving is the crucial step of threading individual warp yarns from the weaver's beam through the drop wires, heddles, and reed of the loom in a precise sequence to create a new fabric pattern. This threading is done either manually by workers with hooks or automatically by specialized machines, preparing the loom for a new style or pattern. Step 5. Knotting process. Knotting process in weaving involves tying threads together either to create artistic textures and patterns directly on the loom, or to join broken warp threads for continuity. Step 6. Weaving process. Weaving process is a method of creating fabric by interlacing two sets of yarn, the lengthwise warp and the crosswise weft, at right angles on a machine called a loom. The process involves three primary motions: shedding, lifting some warp threads to create an opening; picking, inserting the weft yarn through the opening; and beating up, pushing the newly added weft yarn tightly against the fabric. This cycle repeats to form a finished fabric. Step 7. Fabric inspection process. Gray fabric inspection process involves perching, a visual assessment, on a lighted table to find faults like knots, stains, or thick spots, followed by burling, removing issues, and mending, repairing them. Key steps include defect marking, dimensional checks, width, weight, construction, and fabric sampling for tests like shrinkage, with defects graded to determine the fabric's final quality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.